Alright, we're back, y'all. I'm just putting some nice little goodies in there. Packing this up. I came right here into it and started to just pack it without filming. Like, no, I can't film nothing. I mean, I can't go without filming nothing if all I talk about is at least having some orders. There we go. Get y'all to see. There we go. So now I just had to turn my camera on. That's what a lot of times we miss is when we get orders, we don't turn our cameras on. Give her a Kit Kat, and that finished off the goodies in this bag. I don't really eat that stuff. That'll finish that.